Hey everyone, CNC Keith here. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up a button inside of CNC12 that enables you to turn on and off a fourth axis with a one button press. I have an Acorn system here currently configured up as a typical router or milling machine that has a rotary table labeled as A because I have it sitting on the x-axis with the center line parallel to the x-axis. Alrighty, so I've got this machine all configured up and working, and all I want is a button to turn the fourth axis on and off because sometimes I want to remove that rotary table to get it out of the way and unplug it, or maybe I just want to turn it off. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's check it out. First thing I want to do is open up the operator manual. So I hit manual in the utility menu. And then I use the search command to type in, you could search for fourth axis, or I happen to know the parameter number, which is 131. So I searched for 131 and it took me to this page. And this page describes how to set up parameter 131 to create a button to turn on and off the fourth axis. It's a bitwise parameter. It could be a little confusing to some, but I'm going to try to make this simple for you with some examples. So example 3 here that's given in the manual is very close to what I want to do. It's talking about, hey, if you set 131 to a value of 61, the button will toggle the fourth axis on and off between off and back to W. So, well, where did the 61 come from? Here's the 6 for W, and here's the 1 for N, which is null or no or off. You can think of N as just turning that axis off. So 61 would switch between the W and the N. So it's switching between a W label for the fourth axis and turning it off. Well, I don't have W in mine. I have an A axis here. Here's the A axis. So back to the manual. What should I do? Well, I'm going to pick 1 and 1. So my value would be an 11. These amps go to 11. Okay, so setup, configure, duration, parameter. Let's go to parameter 131. There it is, set to 0. 0 means it's just not on. This feature is not on. But if I put an 11 there, it's going to add the button in the setup menu for me and switch back and forth between the A axis and turning it off. Hit save. A lot of times in CNC12, you're going to have to shut it down and turn it back on. It depends on the parameter and the function of the parameter. In this case, as you just saw, this was not the case. It just instantly put this button here for me. So let's see if it works. If I want to go to 3-axis mode, in other words, turning off the fourth axis, hit F6. There it is. It turned it off. So if I jog it, it doesn't do anything. Let's turn it back on. I got to get out of here to jog it. And there we go. We're back on. Let's go turn it off. Get out of here. Nothing happens. So there you go. There's a button right there, F6, to switch the fourth axis on and off at will. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.